Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you click here on theme. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on dark mode here. When you just click on dark mode, so then automatically it's going to change with you here to dark mode like you see on your app, on your Decathlon app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.